Okay, this is Melissa. She is the strongest metal bender in the world, and she'll show you. Make your face.
Go recuperate.
She even bends it back.
Even back. Watch me now. Oh. And now they're going around for the second lap. And the yellows in the race. Need a little help from the other hand. Here they go again. The strongest metal bender in the world. Get a close-up on that. Now take my...
Take him out. Take him out.